Okay, that guy right there calls me up and says, let's go flying. And I said, it's blowing 15 to 20. And he says, I don't care. So, is he going to fly? Is he, huh? You going to fly? Chicken?
Not when the wings are going like this.
Okay. Only an idiot would be out here flying in this stuff. 15 to 20 mile an hour. It's really gusting. Tracker on its way up. You think the wind's not playing with that? Well, it's going to be fun getting that thing back down to the ground. Okay, little test landing there, make sure I can get it back down. Oh, that was just too much fun. I'll tell you, the batteries were working hard because it kept setting the alarm off. Yeah.
Oh, is it telemetry?
Yeah, the telemetry's measuring the cells.
Your Really good, huh?
This thing's so much easier to fly. It isn't funny. Well, the wind's cranking today. I'll pop another pack in it and have some fun.